Hey, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to teach you how to cook perfect eggs every time. If you're an egg lover or you're cooking for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, this video will help you prepare eggs like a pro. First things first, we need to talk about how to choose the right eggs. We recommend that you choose free-range or organic eggs if you can. Once you have your eggs, let's crack on with the tips. Tip number 1. Always use a non-stick pan. This will save you a lot of time and effort in the long run as the eggs will cook evenly and won't stick to the pan. Tip number 2. Let the eggs come to room temperature before cooking. This will prevent the eggs from cracking when added to the hot pan. Tip number 3. Choose the right heat setting. If you're cooking scrambled or fried eggs, medium heat is best. If you're boiling eggs, start with high heat and then reduce to low heat to maintain a simmer. Tip number 4. Don't be afraid to add seasoning. Salt and black pepper can add a lot of flavor to your eggs. You can also add herbs, cheese, or even vegetables for extra nutrition. Tip number 5. Timing is key. If you're cooking boiled eggs, here's a quick guide. For soft-boiled eggs, cook for 4 to 6 minutes. For medium-boiled eggs, cook for 7 to 9 minutes. And for hard-boiled eggs, cook for 10 to 12 minutes. For fried eggs, cook for 2 to 3 minutes for sunny side up, or 4 to 5 minutes for over easy. For scrambled eggs, cook for 3 to 4 minutes on medium heat. Finally, the best way to serve your perfect eggs is with toast or a side of veggies. Now that you know how to cook perfect eggs, try it out for yourself and let us know your results in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cooking tips and tutorials. And, if you liked this video, share it with your friends and family who are also egg lovers like us.